up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I have a brand new tutorial for you guys, okay? It's a review on the new Klarity Kosmetics or Magic Lamp palette, and this palette actually just went live for purchase at midnight Central Standard Time. So it's available for purchase. Now they were kind enough to send this palette over my way, so thank you so much, Klarity Kosmetics, for sending this palette my way, okay? Because I had every intention of buying this palette, so when she offered to send it to me, I was like, oh my gosh, yes, I would definitely take one. Thank you, please. So anyways, I don't want to do too much rambling. I want to just jump right into this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below if you're planning on picking this palette up, if you did pick it up, or what you're just going to be buying for Black Friday in general, because I know it's going to be a lot of sales going on this entire week. Today's actually Thanksgiving Day that I'm filming this. It's going to be a lot of sales going on this week, a lot of sales going on later on today. So what are your plans for Black Friday? And yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into this look. All right, guys, we are up close and personal. Oh, let me see how I can put this on. You guys, I literally got my hair silk pressed yesterday, right? Today's Thanksgiving, by the way, that I'm filming this. Hopefully this video will be live Thanksgiving day. I'm trying to shoot for like 3 o'clock my time, till Central Standard Time. So for all of y'all who like to, you know, eat your food at like 12, you know, Thanksgiving Day, low key, people be excited to eat, but then after you eat, you be bored. So I'm trying to get the video up for anybody who finds themselves bored after you've eaten and you talk to your family long enough and you're like, I'm over it. But I'm gonna be priming my eyes with the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow base. But anyways, like I was saying, I got all off track. So I got my hair silk pressed last night, right? Because I wanted my hair semi done for Thanksgiving Day. And also, it's been time, I needed to get my hair done. I really wanted a trim. But anyways, what I'm trying to get at is, it's freaking raining here in Houston on Thanksgiving Day. And you guys know, Black girls, when it comes to our hair and water, the two do not mix. The only time it mix is when I want to hydrate my curls or when I want to wash my hair voluntarily, okay? Not trying to get my hair wet because it's raining. So I'm not, my mom traveled to Nebraska to see my brother for Thanksgiving Day. So I am here in Houston all by myself. So I was going to go over to my friend Amy's house. Y'all seen Amy here on my channel before. And I'm just thinking about this walk to the car. Definitely gonna have to get a bonnet on my head, and I'm gonna have to get like a plastic bag because my hair is not going to get wet. Okay, so my eyes have been primed. So let me show you guys the palette. Okay, so this is the palette. The first shade I'm gonna take is this one right here called And I'm gonna use this Morphe brush. This is the M441. To go ahead and place that on. I want to do a halo eye today because I haven't done a halo eye in a minute. So I'm gonna just place this all over my lid, or my eye. Yeah, my lid. Now the kickback in this palette is typical for Klarity Kosmetics. So just so you guys know, there is a lot of kickback in this palette already, like from me just grabbing this shade. You guys can see I'm also getting like fallout down here. So be cautious of that when applying this on. But that's typically how all of Klarity palettes are. Like I've told you before on my channel, kickback does not bother me. Fallout does not bother me. Okay, as long as the eyeshadows show up and perform, and it is most definitely doing that. Okay, so y'all know the song Melodies from Heaven by Kirk Franklin, right? Love it. So apparently there's this guy named, I think his name is DJ Luke Nasty, and he's really trying to like sample this song, and like Kirk and them has said, no, you are not about to sample the song and make it into some secular song. And I agree. Now I did hear parts of the sample. I was just like, I could see, you know, if I didn't know where the song actually came from, like it being a nice, wholesome gospel song. By the way, I'm just gonna take this brush and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this out as also my transition color. If I didn't know where the song already came from, I'm like, oh yeah. But something about that just don't sit right in my soul. Trying to, cause he's almost trying to make it like, you know, melodies from heaven rain down on me. But I think what he's trying to sample is like, you know, the cootie cat area rain down on him. Hold on. No, okay? I cannot be going to church on a Sunday morning, blasting melodies from heaven, and then knowing that you didn't sample the song talking about something else raining down on you, okay? So he keeps trying to upload it somehow, and it is getting blocked left or I'm like, sir, leave it alone. Leave it alone, okay? Baby, not everything needs to be sampled, okay? Okay, so this is blending out pretty nicely. Let me even show you guys this, so in case anybody wants to see just how much fallout or kickback is in that. Y'all see all of that? That's from that shade alone. Now, I was interested in trying this shade out because it is a matte with some sort of like shimmer particle in there, but I don't want to take risk. I guess this is a review, so I should try it, right? Okay, let me try it. I was like, I don't really want to take risk and try something out that I've never tried. Like, I don't understand that matte formula, and I know ColourPop also likes to do stuff like that where they put like shimmer in their mattes, and I don't know what the science behind that or the reasoning behind that is. And honestly, this is blending out the way I want to, so I'm not gonna grab that shade. But what I am gonna do is I'm gonna take more of that Uh-Oh shade and I'm gonna put a little bit more on. So I have to make sure that this is, because this Uh-Oh shade is playing two roles. It has to play my transition color, and it also has to play the role of it being that darker color there. So I have to make sure that like I go back and darken this area while this area looks faded, so it looks like I used two separate colors, but I didn't. The song is stuck in my head. Melodies from heaven, rain down on me, rain down on me, melodies from heaven, rain down on me, rain down on me. Now, typically I charge to sing, okay? But I'm gonna give y'all a little special, okay? Because, you know, I rocks with y'all, okay? I like y'all, so I'm gonna give y'all that little sample for free. But just know, going forward, you gotta pay to hear me sing, okay? Y'all probably like, Whitney, I hate to break it to you, but ma'am, you can sing, okay? So the way that I like to do my halo eyes is I kind of have to like cut my entire crease, and then I'm gonna go back and then put the darker color on the outer parts. And the reason why I do that is because for my eye shape, trying to do a halo eye just like putting the color there first, it just doesn't work the way I want it to work, or doesn't look the way I want it to look. There are some people who have like a natural eye shape for halo eyes, like people who have like really nice deep set eyes. A perfect example is someone like Jaclyn Hill. Her eye shape is perfect for a halo eye. Okay, so that has been applied on. Now I'm going to take, where is that pencil brush? Yes, taking this Morphe brush. This is the M507. I'm gonna go back into that Uh-Oh shade, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place that in the inner part of my eye. And I'm also gonna bring it kind of up a little bit so that it's very much apparent what I am trying to accomplish here, which is a halo eye. Okay, and so now I need to take this blending brush that I was using and just kind of like slightly diffuse the top of that. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to clean out all this fallout. Oh my goodness. I look like I am being abused. And then just gonna tap off whatever is left on this pencil brush, and so I can do this part because it's a little bit harder to get in here with that bigger brush and be precise at the same time. Okay, I like that. So now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take the Fun Color, this is the multi-chrome in the palette, it's a shade called Genie. Oh my gosh, you guys, it looks like an emerald there, but let me see if I shift it up. Do y'all see it? Y'all see like the blue purple in there? So I'm gonna take that shade first, and then I'm gonna go into Diamond in the Rough. Diamond in the Rough, what? Did I just roll my R? I'm gonna take Diamond in the Rough afterwards. So first I'm gonna take the shade Genie. I'm gonna place this all over. Just like that. So then what I'm gonna do now is taking this same brush, I'm just gonna like blend it this way to kind of like marry it into that purple shade. Ooh, just like that. Okay, and then taking this brush right here, I'm gonna go into Diamond in the Rough. And I'm gonna just put that down the center of my lid. Ooh, that looks so nice. I like that a lot. Okay, so let me see. I need to kind of touch up this area right back here. This doesn't look fully blended. Looks a little rough right here. All right, so let me clean up this fallout so you guys can see this better. All right, so I went ahead and cleaned up all that fallout, threw on some lashes. Ignore this because it looks weird, but it's okay. I wanted to show you guys one more thing that I wanted to put on my eye. I'm gonna take this color right here called Set You Free, which is like, I think it's duochrome shade. And I wanna just put that like in the inner part of my eye. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera and I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and then I'll be back to give you guys swatches of the palettes. It says palettes. I'm gonna give you guys swatches of the palette, and then also I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts about this entire palette. So I'll be back shortly. All right, you guys, so this is the completed look, and let me just say I absolutely love the way this eye look came out. I did take that darker purple, and that's what I smudged down below here. Let us talk about this palette. So this is what the palette looks like. It's giving me very much so Aladdin vibes. You get 6 mattes in here, 6 shimmers. You get like 1 multi-chrome, some regular shimmers, and I think like a duochrome, or is it 2? I don't remember, or 3, I don't know. But yeah, it's definitely a very fun palette. I feel like one thing Klarity Kosmetics does really well is they pick a theme and they stick it all the way through. Every palette they've came out with prior, it very much so sticks to the theme of what they're trying to go for. Their Carnival palette, I don't own that one, but the Carnival palette, the Summer Amazing, the Cobra, the Royal Berry, even their new one, the Melanin palette, which that one also was released when this one was released, and I did purchase that one. So yes, when that one comes, I'll be doing a video on that. Palette also does come with a brush, and this is what the brush looks like. Let me show you guys. I feel like I just got eyeshadow all over me, and I did. Okay. So this is what the brush looks like. You get a blending brush on one side, and then you get like this here. This is perfect if you like to cut your crease, or you want to use it to like clean up your brows, like a concealer brush. I don't typically use brushes that come in palettes, but it does come with one for anybody who wanted that. So this palette does retail for $49. So by the time this video goes live, the palette should be available for purchase. I will have it linked down below for anybody who does want it. I'm gonna go ahead and insert the swatches of the palette. I feel like this is just a truly stunning palette. I would highly recommend this. I love Klarity Kosmetics. I feel like this palette is very reminiscent and very similar to their prior palettes. It's a lot of pigment. It's very intense. Now, just be mindful, this palette does have a lot of fallout, a lot of kickback. So if that is something that bothers you, just be wary about that. It is very intense. I don't mind kickback. I don't mind it at all, but some people, it's truly a deal breaker for them. So just be mindful of that as well too. But yeah, that's all I really have to say about this palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow you on Instagram. And until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
It's not that I don't